So one of the reasons why we picked up a drone, and you'll see this in future episodes, is we wanted to get aerial footage of some of the anchorages that we're going into. I found that it's quite helpful. I had found some drone footage of the anchorage that we went to, Pirates Cove, that showed where all the rocks were laid out in the bay, and it actually was pretty helpful to kind of give a little bit of an initial idea before you just show up at the bay where everything is. So we're going to start trying to get a little bit more of that in our videos, doing big fly arounds of the bays up here, because it's not like the Caribbean where you can see big shades in the water, but you can definitely see it from aerial. So we'll hopefully have some of that up for you guys, and if anybody's traveling around the area, it should help out with entries and whatnot into some of the bays around Pacific Northwest.
So enjoy the Pirates Cove one that's falling right now. It's on DeCourcy Island, which is just off of Ladysmith. Be aware of the entry. We'll talk you through it because it was a little bit sketchy. We went through and it was shallow, but the drone really shows why you have to line up the marks on the land. Hi everyone, we're the Carmina family from Victoria, BC, Canada. Last year we decided it would be a great idea to move on to a boat, but not just any boat. We found a 1969 Stevens Brothers aluminum boat that needed a lot, and I mean a lot of love. Of course, we decided it'd be fun to make all the repairs and do the refit ourselves. After 19 years of marriage, this may be the end of us. Join us on our adventures cruise in the Pacific Northwest and getting Tangaroa ready for a massive trip around the world. Hey everyone, so we're Blaine and Janice. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed that drone footage of Pirates Cove. We have our own channel. We usually sail the Pacific Northwest. We're refitting and getting our boat, new to us boat, ready to go travel around the world.
Is it really new to us? It's been a year now.
It's been a year now, but
it may not be new to us.
It's a lot of work. But please check out our channel. It's Onboard Tangaroa. You can click it in the description below and just give us some love. Enjoy it, right? We tried to tell the story of buying a boat that's really old and how much fixing it needs to do, and most of it is a DIY?
DIY.
Huh?
DIY.
DIY fix. So we do all our own refits and renovations. We've got 2 kids. We've moved on board. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the flyover, and please don't hesitate to check out our onboard Tangaroa adventures.
Take care.